medyo naging emosyonal nung pinag-usapan yung tungkol sa Star Wars for television. Sabi niya, ikaw daw ang kanyang kinausap.
Yeah, I wanted to learn how to just brush things off, lalo na if it comes to the bashers, comments, and social media. Kasi mabilis siya maapektuhan eh. And sinasabi ko sa kanya, look, Kim, at the end of the day, sino ba ang nanalo? Di ba? Ikaw yun. And just be proud of yourself and believe in yourself.
Ang ganda ng attitude niya, boy, kasi para siyang pader. Alam mo, no, kasi honestly, naaalala ko eh, di ba? When her mom passed away, di ba? You were there. She could lean on you. Kasi di ba, boy, yung ang ganda nun that there's somebody who's there during the dark times. Kasi di ba, masaya to celebrate, pero you have to trust someone to show your vulnerability.
And also, importante na alam mo, Sian, kung gaano kahalaga yung boses mo kay Kim. That's what I noticed. I mean, for her to actually do that narrative about, I mean, she could have told me, lumapit ako sa kaibigan or to my family. It was you.
But the good thing about it also is we trust each other kasi parang pag may sinabi siya sa akin, she knows I'm not gonna tell it the whole world.
But I have question.
Trust, no?
Sorry, kasi syempre, alam mo, pag nagsushooting kayo at matagal yung shooting kami ni Coco kung ano-ano na napag-usapan, di ba?